Hello everyone, we're looking at my Saturn again, and ta-da, the trunk is empty. I have to redo big old mess that was in here because when I first did my equipment rack, well, I got lazy and I didn't do it how I wanted to do it. So it's time to try to make a much better attempt at it, and I need to do more insulation in the trunk because I can definitely hear a lot of road noise and exhaust noise coming in, and I don't know if I'm going to do more alpha damp. I might, because I'm seeing a lot of spots that aren't covered. But I have some foam, ballistic, a foam liner product that I will be using back here, and I'll use some mass loaded vinyl. And I did have 6.5 inch Clarion entry-level coaxials back here. I'm going to change those to CDT audio, and for the trunk lid, I think I'm going to copy Richard Vedvik, otherwise known as Keep Hope Alive, and probably line all, or rather stuff all of these cavities, like in here too. I can stuff those with an insulation product, and then I will cover all the holes with alpha damp. Mainly the trunk, as far as it comes to noise, that's a big problem right now. I can't crank up the bass without hearing different rattles coming from the back, so I know I have more work to do back here. The trunk is going to be a big project. I don't have the design figured out yet. I'm probably going to add, or I was doing 2 amplifiers, MS8, and a Tsunami 5 farad hybrid capacitor, and I want to make it bigger, possibly, and keep access to the spare tire. So even though I have this, I mean, this is probably a good 7-8 inches deep. It'd be really awesome to do a false floor like Simplicity and Sound and just have it all sunk in nicely. But anyway, I'll give you guys another update later on.